Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore changing the page orientation in Google Docs. Typically, a Google Doc will open up in portrait mode, which is equivalent to having an 8.5 sheet of paper in front of you and having your hands on the 11-inch sides. So it's 8.5 inches from side to side and 11 pages up and down. Which is mainly, for things that we would expect to be reading. However, you can do a lot more in Google Docs than just type text. So you may have occasion to want to change the page orientation from portrait into landscape mode. To do that, go to Format, Page Orientation, and you can apply it to the entire document, or if you have just selected content, like maybe there's an image in there that is just going to look better if it's oriented in landscape mode. But really what we want is let's change it to landscape mode. And if I click on OK, now notice that the Google Doc is much wider. That's because it's intended to be displayed along the long ways of an 8.5 by 11. So this is basically assuming 11 inches across. And that may be what you're looking for, and if it is, that's how you do it.